Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to Linda's Flower Arrangements. Please like, subscribe, and share. Today I'll be doing a Halloween flower arrangement. Stay tuned for the video. This is what you will be needing for the Halloween flower arrangement. I have different flowers. I always like my sparkly stuff. And I have to have some leaves and some flowers. The flowers I got over at Walmart. The vase I got over at Dollar Tree. So let's get started. This is real easy to assemble. You put the tallest stuff in the back. So I put the tall flowers in the back. Then I put the leaves up front. And I gotta put the pumpkin on the side. Make sure the pumpkin is like that. And then you want to give it a little sparkle. See? That's how it looks. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.